Well, during Typhoon Death, I remember that there are people who's crying from their houses, who's crying from the waste, from everything, the pain they caused from the Typhoon Death. And where I donate, I used to raise the cash donation fund, and many have shared bills of RTWs from anonymous concerned citizen, because I cannot help but help my fellow citizen. I think one of the problems that we should address is the community service of helping each other. Because if we help each other hand in hand, the Rojas will not just be the first municipality, but will be a well-known municipality, not just in Palawan, but in the whole country. That's all, thank you.
What message would you like to give to the youth of Rojas, Palawan about following their dreams?
To the youth of Rojas, Palawan, always believe in yourself, because yourself is the most masterpiece that matter. You always believe in yourself, believe everything you do. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number.
Without a mother's guidance, it's really hard. I encountered adversities in my life to the point that I wanted to give up. But instead of giving up, I used these challenges to push myself towards my goal. And now, I am closer to where I want to be. And I would use my personal journey to inspire and support every individual in our community. I would share my stories of resilience, strength, and overcoming challenges to show others that they are not alone and that they can still achieve their dreams. Because I believe in the face of adversities, we stood up. Our personal experiences inspiring one and all. Thank you.
Again, as a potential role model, what values and lessons do you wish to impart to the younger generations in Rojas?
As a potential young woman, the thing that I would ask to them is be confident and be humble. Because the only thing you can give to young generation is be humble, be confident, and have the potential and to help the community. Because without that value, the community and the unity are nothing without the community. That's all, thank you.
Looking ahead, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? And how does Rojas fit in your future plans?
Well, I see myself lightening, educating, and changing the life of everyone. Especially as a future educator, I see myself teaching the children of this society, making their life unique and special, as well as developing the skills and abilities to help the Rojas, not just the Rojas, but also the country. That as a future educator, we embedded the importance of education to our future educator and to our future generation. So as a future educator, I see myself teaching, lighting, guiding, and making significance impact in the life of everyone. That's all. Thank you.
Let me repeat the question. Who in Rojas has been the most influential to you, and in what way?
Thank you for that question. Good evening, everyone. For me, the most influential person here in Rojas, Palawan is our Mayor Sabando, because he is the best leader that we have here in Rojas. Without him, Rojas is not just the #1 municipality in Palawan. Rojas is not been progressive like this without Mayor Sabando. That's all. Thank you.
Can you describe a personal achievement or project that you are particularly proud of that benefited your community in Rojas, Palawan? Can you describe a personal achievements or project that you are particularly proud of that benefited your community in Rojas, Palawan?
community that I say that I'm proud in Rojas, Palawan is the tourism, the tourist spot of Rojas, Palawan, the very beautiful places, beaches, and the environment, the good environment. As an advocate of environmental awareness, we need to be responsible and need to be cooperation to have a good communicating and to environment is and that environment is would have changed for us because we need to change for our environment. That's all. Thank you.
And how would you contribute this as Mutianang Rojas? Again, what are your thoughts on the importance of preserving local traditions? And how would you contribute this as Mutianang Rojas?
This festivities showcasing the tradition and the rich cultural heritage and diversity of Rojas, Palawan. I believe that we Rojaseños are keep up when it comes to community, and I believe that to inspire is to lead by example, showing people what's possible when passion, perseverance, and commitment unite. Thank you.
You could change one thing about Rojas to make it a better place, what would it be and why? Again, if you could change one thing about Rojas to make it a better place, what would it be and why?
Thank you for that question. Rojas is such a good place, and I don't think that it doesn't need to be changed. Why? Because I do think that Rojas has already a progressive community wherein each and everyone are united, and we people, Rojaseños, are the roots of it. And we are here celebrating our festivity because we have a rich culture, a rich heritage that we are still practicing up until this day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 15.
And your question goes, what do you consider to be the most important cultural event in Rojas, and how have you participated or contributed to it in the past?
The important event that I am very proud that I'm part of is this event because as they have all mentioned before, we Rojaseños have a rich culture and heritage. That is why even as time passes, we're still celebrating the Banalaminan Festival, the San Vicente de Ferrer, and the Casio Festival. And with that, we should continue to respect our culture and tradition so that we can prosper in the future. Thank you.